Yeah.
Then car falls off trailer. No, just not use that word. I'm going to show this to you now. Want me to do the donut around the car?
Yeah, why not?